Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today we are talking about one of my favorite things to do on the weekend. We are talking about going to the cinema. So, Bella, do you like movies?
Oh, I love movies, but I don't go to the cinema every week. Usually I go once a month.
I try to go more often. I love the big screen and the loud sound. How do you choose which movie to see?
I usually watch the trailer on YouTube first. A trailer is a short video that shows the best parts of the movie.
That is a smart way to do it. I also check the reviews. I want to know if other people liked the movie or if it was boring.
Sometimes I check the cast. The cast is the group of actors in the movie. If my favorite actor is in it, I will go see it.
Do you buy your tickets at the cinema or online?
I always buy them online. It is much easier. I can choose my favorite seat. I like to sit right in the middle.
I like to sit at the very back. I have long legs, so I need more space.
When you arrive at the cinema, what is the first thing you do?
I go straight to the snack bar. You cannot watch a movie without snacks.
I knew you would say that. What is your favorite cinema snack?
Popcorn, of course. I love a large bucket of salty popcorn and a big soda.
I prefer sweet popcorn, and sometimes I buy a box of chocolates. It's my guilty pleasure.
Popcorn is so expensive at the cinema, though. It costs more than the ticket sometimes.
I know, but the smell of fresh popcorn is part of the experience.
After I get my snacks, I go to the theater. I show my ticket to the staff, and they tell me which way to go.
In my cinema, there are 10 different theaters. We call that a multiplex.
What is your favorite genre of movie, Bella? Genre is just a fancy word for the type of movie.
I really love romantic comedies, or rom-coms. They are funny and they make me feel happy.
I prefer action movies. I like fast cars, explosions, and superheroes.
Action movies are too loud for me. What about horror movies? Do you like to be scared?
No way. I am a scaredy cat. If I watch a horror movie, I cannot sleep for a week.
Me too. I prefer animated movies, like Disney or Pixar movies. They are not just for children. The stories are very beautiful for adults, too.
I agree. I also like science fiction or sci-fi. Movies about space, aliens, and the future are very interesting.
And don't forget documentaries. They are great because you learn something real while you watch.
Once you're in your seat, the lights go down.
That is the best part. But first, we have to watch the advertisements and the previews.
Previews are the trailers for movies that are coming out soon. I like them because I can plan my next trip to the cinema.
One thing I don't like is when people talk during the movie. It is very rude.
Or when someone's phone rings. You should always put your phone on silent or turn it off.
And please, don't kick my seat.
Yes, we must have good cinema manners.
Do you stay until the very end, even when the names of the people who made the movie appear on the screen?
You mean the credits? Yes, I do, especially in Marvel movies, because there is often a secret scene at the very end.
What do you do when the movie finishes and the lights come up?
Usually, I talk to my friends about the plot. The plot is the story of the movie.
I like to talk about the acting. Was the main actor good? Did the ending make sense?
Sometimes the ending is a cliffhanger. That means the story doesn't really finish and you have to wait for the second movie.
I hate cliffhangers. I want to know what happens right now.
If I really like the movie, I give it 5 stars. If it was bad, I tell my friends, don't waste your money.
We call a bad movie a flop, but a very successful movie is a blockbuster.
Bella, do you remember that time we went to see that 3-hour-long historical drama?
Oh, don't remind me. You fell asleep after 20 minutes.
I couldn't help it. The music was so soft and the chairs were so comfortable, I started snoring.
Yes, you did. Everyone in the theater looked at us. I was so embarrassed. I had to poke you to wake you up.
I woke up and shouted, "Is it over?"
It was only the beginning. That was the last time I took you to a drama. Next time we're watching an action movie, so the explosions keep you awake.
That is a deal. I promise to stay awake if there is at least one car chase.
Alex, how can our students use movies to practice English?
That's a great question. One tip is to watch movies with subtitles.
Yes, at first you can use subtitles in your own language, but later try to use English subtitles. It helps you connect the sound of the word to the spelling.
Another tip is to watch a movie you already know well. If you know the story in your own language, it's easier to understand the English words.
And don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just try to follow the context. Look at the actors' faces and their actions.
You can even try to repeat some lines from the movie. We call this shadowing. It's great for your pronunciation. Well, Bella, talking about the cinema has made me want to watch a movie.
Me too. I think there's a new comedy playing tonight. Want to go?
Only if you buy the popcorn.
Fine, but you have to stay awake.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today about going to the cinema. We hope you learned some new words like plot, genre, and blockbuster.
What about you? What was the last movie you saw? Did you like it?
Please tell us in the comments. Tell us the name of the movie and your favorite snack. We love to read your stories.
And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like. It really helps our channel reach more English learners.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?